That noisy boy highway easy alongside the man J.R.A. Ah yes. Now I wanna do it up so bad, party it up so bad, spend it up so bad. So the whole world, guys, we are at the zoo.
Going to the
My heart is so bad, my love is so bad for you, for you. Now with a girl like you, nothing you can do but give the whole world to her 24/7. When she looking so sweet, that kind of body, you don't mind spending all of it.
Say roar. Say roar. 1, 2, 3. Roar.
How did you fire?
Roar.
Wow. It's called
Gone, but bitch, you gone. So big, spend it up so big, so the whole world knows my love for you is so big. My heart is so big, my love is so big for you, for you. Now with a girl like you, I don't care who passes my way.
Oh no, he's looking at you. He's looking at you. Stopping it for you. Leering.
The joy you bring. So, them other girls can go, they don't make me feel so gone. Cause with you, girl, I'm losing control. Oh, now I wanna do it up so big, party it up so big, bend it up so big, so the whole world knows my love for you is so big. My heart is so big, my love is so big for you, for you. I wanna do it so big, cause girl we are so big. Let's pop them bottles so big, like superstars so big. We taking over so big. We got that love so big. Let's make it global so big. Let's blow it up so big. Your boy doing crazy things that I never thought I'd ever do. No, now I wanna do it up so big, party it up, it's so big, bend it up so big, so the whole world knows my love for you is so big. My heart is so big, my love is so big for you, for you, for you.
One of our schools that you came across them, arrested them, and of course adopted them.
Come on.
Hello everybody, welcome to Animal Buddies. Alright guys, this is Benji. When your animal is very comfortable with the training tool, you can actually do very fun behaviors like a spit.
Yeah.
How about you drop one for you?
CYA. I want 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 CYA. CYA. CYA.